Hello, in front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Skagen smartwatches application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Skagen smartwatches application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home screen, and on this page you should see a picture of your watch right here at the top. You can tap on this picture to open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll down like this, find the category called My Style, and tap on this watch face right here. And now we can customize the watch face. Basically what you can do is to select the type of the font, color of the font, then you can tap on here to change the style of the watch face, basically how many widgets you should have on it, how it should look like in the background, like this. And if you select a watch face with widgets, you can tap on the widgets to change them, basically to assign function to them, like that. Okay, you can also move the widgets around the watch face, like this. And another thing you can do is, like I said, change the color of the font and font. You can add the text if you want by tapping on this plus button right here. You can add some text. I'm not sure where it appeared, but it should be somewhere. Oh, because the text is black, that's why it didn't appear, but let's try again. Okay, now you can see it. And then you can tap on this camera icon right here and tap on this icon to select the background. And as you can see, we have two options, photo library and take photo. If you select photo library, it will open the file browser or file manager, and you can select the picture from your phone. And if you select take a photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. I'm gonna select the first option, enable or allow the permission for the photos, videos and stuff like that. And as you can see, it opened the file browser or photos app, and here we can select the picture, for example this one. And once you select the picture, you can select filter for it, as you can see. Select the filter you like, and then you can also move around the picture. Basically, if the picture is bigger than it fits on the watch face, you will be able to crop the image. So you can zoom in, zoom out, and move around. Okay, and once you're done cropping the image, tap on preview. And here we have a preview of our watch face. Then tap on save, and here we have it. Okay, and once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on the check mark to save it, and then tap on the check mark to apply it. And after a couple of seconds, the watch face should be applied on your watch. And now we can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.